Know what I'm saying?
Hey guys, we're in a Mercedes C-Class and I'm going to show you how to program the garage door HomeLinks. Right here underneath the mirror we have 3 buttons. First step, what you want to do is 1, 2, 3. You want to press the 1 and 3. Once you press those, you're going to notice that orange light comes on. And we're going to wait till that orange light turns green and then we're going to let go. Just like that. Okay, now we're all done with clearing the memory on the rear view mirror. Now we're ready to program the opener. Next step, you want to pick which button you want to use to open. So what you're going to do is you're going to press, I'm going to choose the first one, press it, let go, that orange light comes on. Next, what you want to do is take your remote control 3 to 5 inches away, press and hold the button on the remote until that orange light goes green and then let go. Let the garage door cycle all the way down or up, whichever it was at. So now that LED is flashing green, what we want to do is take the button that we chose, press it once. Ow! There you go. That programs your Mercedes C-Class HomeLink. Hey, thanks for following along today, guys. Really appreciate it. Talk to you soon. Peace out.
Just dig your grave a little deeper, deeper, dig!